Yo, good morning guys. It is now 10:32 and yeah, I wake up at around 6 o'clock and I did my editing. I had my coffee and then breakfast and I washed my dishes, and at the moment I am heating the room, I mean the toilet. Yeah, I have the heater there. I'm going to take that out later. Yeah. And I'm going to take a shower because my duty today is 2 o'clock until 10:30. Yeah, today is my first day at work. Yesterday I met already one of my colleague. Had a chat a little bit, explain about my trip. Yeah, I will see you outside. Yeah, beautiful day today. Nice. I am amazed with this bike. It is really good. Yeah, I experienced it without the luggage, without the pannier, without the sleeping bag here. This one is really light, you know? Yeah, nice. It's really good. It feels really good. Yeah, you should consider having this kind of electric bike. Bosch. Yeah, mid-drive. Yes, I am saying mid-drive electric bike is with a different feeling if you use compared to the hub drive. My previous two electric bike are both rear hub drive, and yeah, different feeling. And this is how it is here. You see the water is really clear on this side. Yeah, nice. It is windy this time, and this is the best time that to use this microphone that I have. Look at this. So this is basically the microphone that I am using. Using that, you don't hear much wind. The time now is 1:15. I still have 45 minutes to start my duty. So we're just going to sit here having this coffee and replying to the messages and comments on my video. Oh, I already shaved the birds and the mustache because I'm not comfortable having that at work. Yeah, but the other chef, the other cook, they have that, the mustache, birds. And some people, they have this even this much of birds. Yeah. In Dubai, you don't see those mustache and birds if you are working in the kitchen, in the hospitality, yeah, in culinary area. Yo, I am trying this cappuccino, mochona cappuccino. I first experienced this before when I was in Sydney, and I didn't like because the coffee doesn't really dissolve by itself on the hot water. You need to really mix it to dissolve. Yeah, so I don't like. Also, it's just coffee and the creamer thing. And then when I went to Brisbane, in the house of Karen and Ronald, they have this kind of coffee. Yeah, and for around a week that I was there, was having a coffee every day, and I started to like it. Good afternoon, guys. We are back, and yeah, I have been working for a couple of days now, and I'm totally back to work. Yeah, because on the first day, on the first few days of my back to work, well, I feel like I'm floating, like I don't know what I am doing, something like that, like I'm not sure what I am doing in the kitchen, but yeah, but from time to time I get to familiarize and getting to I know what I am doing. Good afternoon. Yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I went to the grocery, I bought some stuff. I bought a laundry soap, a bacon, a coffee, a soup, and this pork. I'm just going to marinate this with just garlic, ketchup, soy sauce, and some bay leaves. I think that's enough. And the time now is 12 o'clock. And I'm going to take a bath now and we'll go to work. Look at that, the water is sparkling. Yeah, it's glittering on that side. And then here there are many duck. No, it's swan, black swan. Also on that side. Very beautiful day today. Nice weather. Also a lot of people that are walking on that side. Yeah, we're going to work now. And I'm very excited for today, because tomorrow, today is my last day at work, and tomorrow will be day off, and I will be day off for 4 days. Amazing. Yeah, because the day off for this week and the day off for next week have been put together. That's why it's 4 days off. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I am day off today. I'm going just to have a coffee somewhere in the center. It is now 9 o'clock. I wake up at around 8 o'clock. Didn't take any coffee, didn't take any breakfast. I just cleaned myself a little bit. I did my laundry and I prepare myself to have a coffee outside. You have to remember, there is one delicious banana bread in this restaurant. I just got my cappuccino. I'm just now waiting for my banana bread. They're toasting it, and I'm going to sit somewhere there. I'm supposed to be sitting there eating the banana bread, but uncomfortable. That's why we're moving here. And yeah, we leave the bike there. A while ago, the seat is still wet from the night condensation. Yeah, those pelican, they always stay in every post like that. And the first time I saw them, I thought it's replica, but they are pelican really. Whoa, it's getting colder and colder. Yeah, the sun is rising up. It's there, but still feeling cold. The wind. Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Ah, good.
Hey, enjoying the weather?
Ah, yeah.
Hey, bit too cold.
Yeah, very cold.
Hey, just going fishing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, enjoy your fishing.
yeah. Hope you enjoy your day.
Ah, good. Thank you. There are some guys fishing in their way. Yeah, there are some people, they are fishing on that side. On this side, there's nothing. I just stopped here because I was amazed with that view. Yeah, I am hungry again. I bought this a pie, meat pie. This one. It's a beef pie plain from IGA. Oh, look like this one is a traveler. Yeah, they are a couple. They are traveling with their bike. Nice. Yeah. The brand of bike is Gasset. Also, they are using electric bike. This is the one, and there's the other one. Or maybe they are just a short traveler, Maybe they are just visiting the town. with their car and they just roaming around. Yeah, you see that? There are no leaves in the trees here in the town of Nelson Bay, similar to those in Canberra. Yeah, not really good looking when there is no leaves.